Warm welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, let's go over the markets. We had good news today. We have a buy signal on the Dow. We had been waiting for a buy signal on the Dow right here, and that came in today. So that's absolutely good news. Buy signal here. We've got resistance, really good resistance right here, guys. Really good resistance right here. All right. Price broke resistance, buy signal here on the Dow. So we now have buy signals on the Dow. All right. We already have a buy signal on the S&P, which is right here. So buy signal on the S&P, S&P moving up nicely there. All right. And also on the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ right here. NASDAQ really performing well. All right. Buy signal is here. Here's the NASDAQ, right? Moving higher. Great price action. And then here is the Russell. Buy signal here. Here's the Russell moving higher. So we've got buy signal on all four of the major indexes. Okay. The VIX is at 1461. So VIX is still holding, right? Still holding. I know it jumped from 13, but 1461 will take that. All right. We have more sectors, right? More sectors that are moving higher, moving up. All right. So we have almost most of the pairs. We only have three pairs that are going down. I mean, three sectors that are still down. One is neutral. All the rest are up. And then the major indexes here, all three are up, and the VIX is down. So that's exactly what we want to see. All right. Big picture Dow. We are looking for the Dow on the weekly time frame to break resistance right here. So it touched resistance today. All right. So hopefully, might not happen this week, but next week we could get a buy signal on a break of this resistance here on the Dow weekly time frame. We do have a buy signal on the NASDAQ on the weekly time frame right here, and on the S&P right here. All right. Let's take a look at Monster Futures. All right. So Monster Futures. Keep an eye on soybeans, guys. Keep an eye on long soybeans right here. All right. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe.
Hey,
Welcome.
David.
Welcome, Joe. Hello. So keep an eye on soybeans, guys. Soybeans. All right. We don't have any buy signals yet, but boy, we should get a buy signal any day now on soybeans. All right. In the futures market, S&P, we're already long the S&P. All right. In the futures market, and just keep an eye on soybeans. Like I said, soybeans, S&P, that's the big trade right now. There is a trade developing in corn. All right. In corn, we don't have buy signals yet, but buyers are coming in. No buy signals yet. Okay. As far as short crude oil, if you guys look here, we have a lot of crude oil setting up to go short. All right. So no sell short signals yet, but that's developing on the short side in Monster Futures. Let's take a look at the US 30. US 30 got a great trade going, guys. All right. Here was the previous trade, and this was a great trade, but look here. That US 30, right? The US 30 second buy signal here, really doing well. Hopefully it will hold, right? Hold overnight, and we can continue with an upward movement in the markup phase and hold. We just need to hold that buy signal, and it needs to move higher. All right. So good trade here going in Monster US 30. We had a lot of symbols, a lot of picks today out of Monster Scalper. We send out those alerts. We'll go through some of those alerts, new alerts in Monster Scalper. But let's go ahead and take a look at the current trades. And we'll look to see if we need to hold, continue to hold, or close any of the trades for Forex in Monster Scalper. All right. So let's go over those trades. New Zealand yen. All right. Yen pairs did really well today, guys. Really, really well today. The yen pairs. Hopefully we can add a few more yen pairs We've got right now 6. So we have a few more. If we can get some good buy signals on those, we'll add those. Okay. So New Zealand yen, buy signal is here, moving up nicely, right? New Zealand yen right here. ZAR yen, another good trade here. Buy signal is here, right? Holding nicely. Aussie yen, look at Aussie yen, guys. Nice move. So hopefully you guys have taken advantage of this yen move right here. Buy signal here, nice move higher, Aussie yen. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore yen. All right. Buy signal here, got out here, got back in, and we're right here holding properly right now. Pound yen, buy signal is here, held support, and is trading up nicely. All right, in monster scalper. And euro yen moving up nicely. And this is an early move for some of these yen pairs. So we could see the yen pairs move much higher in monster scalper. New Zealand dollar also moving, the New Zealand pairs, the Kiwi pairs. Buy signal here, nice markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal right here. Good price action here. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal is here. This is a new trade going here. All right. So you guys, if you wanted to trade this, you can still get in. All right. That's New Zealand. So just make a note of it. New Zealand. All right. CAD. All right. New Zealand CAD. All right. Retraced a bit. White candle, green candles are coming back in. Nice markdown phase. Okay. New Zealand Swiss. Buy signal is here. That's too late. That's gone. All right. So we're already in that trade. All right. Aussie CAD buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. All right. And then Aussie dollar, good trade here going, guys. Buy signal is here all the way up here. All right. So nothing to trade yet. Euro HUF, that's holding its buy signal there. Euro dollar. All right, we got out, got back in, and holding right here. All right, EuroCAD, we should be out of EuroCAD. All right, red candle here, we should be out. So if anyone is in it, close that trade. Okay, Euro Swiss, that's holding its buy signal. All right, pound, the pound pairs, guys, pound, PLN, buy signal here. That's a new one. And pound CAD, a new one here, new buy signal here. All right. And pound Swiss, buy signal is here. Pound Swiss is moving up nicely. All right. Had a big move overnight. Okay. Let's take a look at the shorts in Monster Scalper. So Monster Scalper short positions. All right. Monster Scalper short positions. All right, USDN okay, USDN okay, holding the short position here nicely. USD PLN, all right, sell short signal here, white candles, keep an eye on it. USD DKK, sell short signal here, that's holding properly. Look for the dollar pairs to possibly make a move lower, okay. USD, all right, DKK right here. Dollar ZAR. Look at dollar ZAR. All right. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely in the markdown phase. Euro ZAR, another good trade, guys. Sell short signal all the way up here. Nice. All red candles, nicely trading down in the markdown phase. Pound ZAR, another good one. Sell short signal here. So the shorts are holding. Euro SEK, that's a new short. So write this one down, guys. Euro. Okay, SEK. All right, Euro SEK and dollar SEK. All right, so dollar SEK and Euro SEK. All right, EUR PLN. We're gonna close this trade, guys. Sell short signal was here, green candle. All right, so if you guys were in this, you should have gotten out on this first green candle here. So we're gonna close that trade. EUR PLN should be out of that. And then EUR NZD still holding its short trade right here. All right, looking to break support right here. So good short trades going in Monster Scalper. All right, let's take a look at Forex dominator trades. Forex Dominator long positions, long positions. All right, Forex Dominator long positions. All right. The dollar trades are still holding well in Forex Dominator. So USD CNH, all right, buy signal is here. That's holding well. USD CZK, that's holding right here. USD DKK, all right, wide candle here. Keep an eye on this one, guys. All right, USD SEK, all right, buy signal is here. White candle holding right here. USD SGD, white candles right here. Really watch the dollar pairs in Monster Scalper if you guys are trading it, because guess what? They're coming down in Monster Scalper, so they might come down lower, and that's what they're starting to do here with these white candles. So really keep an eye on these dollar pairs in Forex Dominator long. Okay, Aussie yen still holding well. All right, in Forex Dominator. All right, CAD yen buy signal is here holding well. Swiss yen buy signal is here, that's holding well. Euro yen buy signal is all the way here. Nice trade going there. Pound yen, guys, look at pound yen. All right, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Now pound yen on the weekly time frame, look at this, broke resistance here and really making a move higher there with pound yen. So great trade going there with pound yen. All right, that's your Hong Kong dollar. HKD JPY buy signal is here, holding the price action in the markup phase nicely. SGD JPY holding nicely in the markup phase. All green candles, guys. All green candles. Exactly what we want to see there. Aussie New Zealand buy signal here. Keep an eye on it. You have purple support and resistance there in your system. Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, like I said in Monster Scalper, right, starting to break out. Also looking to break out here. Here is resistance here. There is resistance here, looking to break out. So if you guys are in it, just hold on tight. All right. Pound SGD buy signal is here. That's holding. Aussie Swiss. All right. That's a new one here. Aussie Swiss buy signal is here. Trading nicely. All right. In Forex Dominator, ZAR Yen, another new trade. All right. ZAR Yen buy signal here. Good markdown phase. All right. And that's it for the long positions. Let's take a look at the shorts in Forex Dominator. So most of the trades are holding both in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator, guys. So great opportunities. Like I said, we have some new picks. We'll go through those, but great opportunities. Okay. All right. All right. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Solomon, welcome. All right. So these are the shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. USD MXN still holding that short trade, guys. All right. Good short trade there going. EUR HKD. All right. Holding the short, needs to break support. EUR GBP. That's your pound, euro pound. Sell short signal is here. Holding nicely. Euro CAD. Sell short. All right. Nicely. All red candles. Euro dollar, keep an eye on euro dollar, guys. Euro dollar. All right, we need red candles to come back down. If you get a green candle, close that. Same thing with euro HKD. Same thing here, almost identical. All right, New Zealand CAD, sell short signal, red candles. New Zealand dollar, again, keep an eye on this one here. All right, those dollar pairs. All right, so green candle, get out if you guys are trading this. Okay. Euro Aussie, nice short trade going right here. All right, nothing to do there. And then dollar CAD holding the short trade right here. All right, so keep an eye on those dollar pairs, guys. All right, but your yen pairs, the best mover right now looks like the yen pairs. All right, and the yen pairs, like I said, they could move much higher. Okay, let's take a look at the futures. And we'll take a look at Bitcoin also. All right, our oats trade, right? Looking good. Here it is breaking out. Good markdown phase. All right. And the oats trade, we got resistance here and we are approaching resistance. All right. So we could see a move higher there in the futures market. That live cattle finally got some support and resistance, guys, on that live cattle. So we'll see if it can hold and then continue to move higher, break resistance here. And then the S&P, look at that S&P trade, guys, right? Market's moving higher. So that S&P, right, trade in the futures market really doing well. All right, buy signal was here, moving nicely. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the current stocks in Stock Boss. All right, and we're looking to see if we need to close any of the trades. So we're looking for a white candle as a warning. All right, red candle as an exit to sell. All right, or a sell signal by the system to get out. Okay. All right, I will go through this quickly. All green candles. Some of these are breaking. If you guys notice, they're breaking. They're breaking resistance. All right, this one here broke out today. Right, these are breaking out. See here, these are breaking out. So really good price action. Hopefully, you guys are taking advantage of these moves. Breaking resistance here. All right, breaking resistance here. Exactly what we want to see. Breaking resistance here. All right, breaking resistance here. All right, this one holding here. All right, so they're definitely moving. Look at XFOR. Buy signal was here, moving up nicely. Okay, way about 150% profit on that. All right, so let's keep going. If we've got green candles, we're fine. Green candles, we're fine. Got white candles, we got to pay attention, close attention to those. Red candles, get out. All right, sell signals by the system, get out. So what's that? MKFG, white candles. If you're in it, guys, just keep an eye on it. Okay, keep an eye on it. Markets, Dow was up today. So across the board, Dow, S&P, Russ, everything was up. Like I said, the Dow gave a buy signal today on the daily time frame. So good price action. So most of these stocks should hold. All right. So TLS, red candle, guys. Give a red candle, close that trade. So we'll be out. All right. TLS, if you're in it, close that trade, please. Look at DHL, guys. Look at that move there. Buy signal was at $1.36, trading at 310. Big move, nice move there going. Keep an eye on SOND, white candles. All right, so keep an eye on that one there. JetBlue is moving. And we have a lot of stocks in Stock Boss, so most of these stocks are holding. That's great. All right, OMER, white candles there, guys. Keep an eye on that one. CANO, all right, that's got a white candle right there. Keep an eye on it there. Okay, CANO. Also ADCT, keep an eye on it. Also GLYC, keep an eye on it. White candles there. All right. Okay, that's all in Stock Boss. All right. So remember, Stock Boss $10, below $10. Okay. All right. Now, Bull Master, same thing. Now, Heat Seeker ran today. We don't have as many stocks in Heat Seeker in both Stock Boss and Bull Master, but still quite a bit. Okay. All right. Let's go through these. Look at this price action here, guys. GH buy signal is here. Look at that. Nice price action going there. Look at that. UPSET. Look at that. Buy signal was here, guys, all the way down here. All right. Buy signal was at about right at 20, 19, 20, trading at 36. All right. So if you're in it, just let it go. Let it run. All right. All right. Let's go through these. Get a white candle, we just have to pay attention to it, right? Make sure it doesn't reverse, right? This is a good example here. URI, no, which one? Right here, right here. SWTX, white candles, guess what? Right? You don't just pay attention to it. Buyers came in today, green candles, all right? So it can move higher, start to test the highs, okay? So if we get a green candle, still hold on to these. I'm sorry, white candle, white candle. Really good price action. Now you guys can trade the calls on these too, the call options. But be careful trading options. All green candles, nothing to change. All right. CRSP, give a sell signal. Buy signal was here. Sell signal here, broke support. No red candles, but we did get a sell signal by the system to be out. So close that trade if anyone is in it. Most of these, majority of these are holding. That's exactly what we want. Not only holding, but moving higher too. All right, DOCU. All right, buy signal is here. White candles. We need buyers to come back in. Okay, so I just continue to hold. If you're trading the system, just follow your system. Look at which one is this? Wow, KDNY gapped up, guys. Look at that gap. Crazy, right? From 24 to 37 gapped up. All right. So those are all the trades. Let's make sure here. All the trades in Bull Master. So we had what, one or two that we changed. All right. If you guys have any symbols you want me to take a look at, just let me know. Okay. All right. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right. So we've gone through Stock Boss and Bull Master. Now we'll take a look at, let's go through the new picks we've got. We had several picks today that we sent out with Forex. Now with Forex Dominator, we can wait, absolutely wait for the day at the end of the day. But Forex moves so fast, guys, so that when we get these picks, we like to send those out right away. All right. So we had picks alerts today in Monster Scalper, and really good alerts. Monster Scalper is trading really well, and hopefully you guys are taking advantage of those moves. Okay, so let's go through the new picks we added today. All right. All right. So let's do this. We haven't added them here yet. All right. So let's go here to Monster Scalper Long. All right. So these are new trades we added today. All right. All right. So yen pairs, remember guys, yen pairs are moving nicely. All right. So the first one, SGD JPY, buy signal was here. All right. Buy signal was here. We didn't get in though until about right here. Okay. We wanted that to break out. Okay. So we're in that right about right here. Okay. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore yen. The next one was New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, right? Nice markdown phase, buy signal right here. That's holding. All right, New Zealand CAD. The next one is on the CAD. Look, there's a move happening with the CAD too. Euro CAD. All right, so Euro CAD. Where is that one? And they're not in any specific order. Euro CAD. All right here. All right, but this one gave a red candle here, so we close that one here. A red candle right here, Euro CAD, and we added that early. Okay, so cross that one out, Euro CAD. The next one is Euro HUF. EUR HUF right here. All right. So buy signal right here. Nice markdown phase. Pretty good support here. All right. Give this some time to work out though. All right. They might take a bit to work out. Okay. So that's Euro HUF. Let's see here. Did we say New Zealand? We said New Zealand CAD, right? New Zealand CAD right there. Euro Swiss is right. Where is it? Right here. Euro Swiss. All right. Buy signal here. Nice markdown phase. All right. Look at that. All right. Buyers are coming in. Again, give this some time to work out, right? They've got to work out. You've got resistance right here. All right. These are fairly new trades. Okay. Pound PLN was another one here. PLN, pound PLN. Buy signal is here. All right, fairly decent markdown phase. What we're looking for is a break of resistance right here. Right here's resistance, so a break of resistance right here. And then Euro SEK. All right, so Euro short, Euro SEK short on the short side. All right, so Euro, this one is working out really well so far. Euro SEK sell short signal is here, and that's working out here. And then in Forex Dominator, Now we're in this one here, guys. Pound Swiss. All right, we're in Pound Swiss. In right here. All right. Monster Scalper, right? We had that resistance line. We talked about this yesterday, right? And it did this pullback last night and then really broke out. All right. We were looking at this resistance line right here. And guess what? It has broken out of that resistance line. So good trade going here. Do not chase it. If you're not in it, do not get in. Okay. So that's in Monster Scalper, but also we have a buy signal trading it in Forex Dominator, and we're looking at this resistance here. If we can break through, and we're sitting right there, right? If we can break through this resistance, we could see Pound Swiss really move higher. Again, this is on the daily time frame. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Short. Dollar CAD. So we're looking at dollar CAD short, okay, in Forex Dominator. We do have pretty good support right here. Previous 3 sell short signals failed, okay? So we need this one to break through support here, Okay. If it's hanging around, right, if it gives you a white candle, I would get out. Since these failed before, right, I would get on a white candle here. But if it breaks, this could be a really good trade if it breaks through that support in a big way. Okay, because that's got pretty good support there. All right. All right. So that's all we've got for Forex, and we've got quite a few trades going already. All right, so we've fully loaded in Monster Scalper long, fully loaded in Forex Dominator long, and both Monster Scalper short, Forex Dominator short. Okay, so guys, all I can say is get on these trades. Right, this is a great time to trade these markets. Right, we haven't had movement like this in quite some time. All right. So everything is moving. Even futures are moving right now. Okay. All right. The only thing that's not moving is Bitcoin. All right. Crypto. Right. Bitcoin is still, look at that. It is moving, but moving down, slowly moving down. Okay. So take advantage of these moves here. All right. So we are looking for new opportunities in Stock Boss. We ran today. I think we only had like 86 symbols. So that's low. We've been getting a lot more recently. Okay, so let's go through. We're looking for buy signals that came in today. Okay, all right, in Stock Boss. Buy signals that came in today in Stock Boss. New buy signals. All right, ADP. All right, look at ADP, guys. Let's move this here. So right up the bat, ADPT. All right, so nice markdown phase. We got a buy signal that came in today, right here, and we'll keep looking for buy signals that came in today. All right, so we have nice clean early entries. We do not want to chase these. So AD, and we have a lot of stocks, so a lot of opportunities. So we can pick the best. We can't trade all of them, but we can find the better ones. Okay, so ADPT. All right, buy signal right there. All right, let's keep going. We're in this one. We're in this one. Most of these we're in. A lot of these we're in. So we're just looking for new buy signals, guys. We'll add this DBI in Stock Boss. All right, it's got a bit of consolidation up in this area in here, but good buy signal here. All right, at $9. All right, it's got to get past this area here, but not a bad trade. All right, not a bad trade. Good buy signal. DHC, we're in that. That's gone. We're in this one. I said most of these we're in those already. New buy signals that came in today is what we're looking for. All right, here's a new one that came in today. LICY. A bit choppy, but the market is strong, guys. We got a buy signal today. So it's choppy in here. Not a bad markdown phase, but right, a bit of consolidation in here. All right. But good buy signal here. Okay, good buy signal right here. All right, so markets are strong, so we could get, right, we could get a move higher. So we'll add it, LICY. If you trade it lightly. All right, not a perfect markdown phase. Okay, all right. All right, we're in this one, I believe. Yeah, we're in this one. New buy signals for the day. And these are in stock boss. All right. POWW. I think this is a new one here. All right. All right. So descent markdown phase, guys. If you look here, all right. Fell from what's that? $10. Buy signal came in right at 210 right here. All right. So good risk reward. Not a bad markdown phase. All right. So POWW, and that's in stock boss. All right. Very choppy. Not a bad trade here, guys, but a lot of consolidation in here. Not as clean. All right. Let's open this up. All right. New buy signal came in today on RKT. All right. Not bad. All right. Good markdown phase. We do have some consolidation in here. We have to get past resistance here. Okay. It's a little early. Okay. So we got to get past resistance about right here. So right here is where sellers are sitting, here, here, and here. Buy signal is right here. Okay. So let's hope we can break through that resistance. If it doesn't, we'll get a red candle sell signal, but we'll take a chance with that one. All right. RKT. The hope is with these buy signals on all these sectors, right? Markets will continue to move higher and move these stocks that are not perfect a bit higher. Okay. Boy, that's a nice one here. RXT, we just need a buy signal. Really good markdown phase. Not a lot of consolidation. Very smooth. We just need a buy signal. Hopefully that will come right the next few couple of days or so. All right. We'll see if it comes through. So we're in STEM. TMC, let's make sure. Yes, we're in TMC. Look at TMC, guys. Buy signal. That's why we want to get in early. Buy signal was here at 91. It's at $1.14. It's moving. All right. All right. New buy signal. ULCC. I'm sorry. ULCC. Nope. Look at this. Not very good price action. Good buy signal, but not very good price action. Let's keep going. All right, UMC. All right, we're going to add this one here. This is a reaccumulation, guys. So we're not getting down in the markdown phase, right? We are buying it. Right, a buy signal here, sold here, bought here, sold here, and a new buy signal here, breaking this resistance here, which is pretty good resistance right here. All right, so hopefully we can get one more trade out of this one here. So we'll add that. All right, again, with the markets, we have buy signals across the board. So, right, we should be buying stocks. Okay, so with that momentum, and then we have a nice trend line. If you guys look here, so good resistance and a really good trend line right here. Price is being squeezed, the triangle, buy signal right here. Right here's your buy signal, and that's breaking out. That's a pretty good setup right here. Okay, we could see buyers really come in and move that price higher there. Okay, so UMC, all right, UMC. All right, we're in this one. We're in this one. No buy signal here. This one will be great. When we get a buy signal, oh, we do have a buy signal. Hold on, hold on. VRM. All right, this is a good one here, guys. Okay, good markdown phase. It's hard to see that buy signal. VRM, good markdown phase, fell from $20. Okay, fell from 20. And this is why we didn't get in, right? Had a buy signal here, but look here, sellers came in. Guess what? Buyers are coming back in. All right. It closed at $1.2021. So it came up on heat seeker because buyers are coming back in. All right. So we'll add this one. All right. We'll definitely add this one. Symbol VRM. All right. VRM. And that's in Stock Boss. All right. And I believe we're almost done with Stock Boss. And now Bullmaster. And then we'll be done. Now keep in mind, I want to show you guys this before we get to Bullmaster. Okay. We have a buy signal here on the Dow. All right. So buy signal on the Dow. Buy signal on the S&P, trending higher. Buy signal on the NASDAQ, trending higher, all green candles. Buy signal on the Russell. Okay, VIX is down. We can't ask for a better environment to trade stocks. Okay, not only that, we have further confirmation with a buy signal on the weekly time frame on the NASDAQ, buy signal on the S&P on the weekly time frame. All right, and look here, we are breaking almost, right? If we continue to get buying for the rest of the week, we could get. I'm not saying we could get a buy signal on the weekly time frame, but we could definitely break resistance here on the weekly time frame. So, no guarantees, but stocks are doing well. Stocks are doing well. Okay. All right. Okay, Bullmaster. Let's run it. All right, so 180 in Bullmaster. So it's come down. We were running around what 240, 250 in Bullmaster. So 180. So it's come down a bit. So let's see what we've got. New buy signals is what we're looking for. Came in today. All right. Okay. New buy signals. Bullmaster, these will be stocks over $10, more large cap stocks, okay? Some of the big companies, like this one here is American Airline, okay? And then this one is which one? Airbnb, all right? So some of the large cap stocks. Looking for buy signals. All right, ACDC, buy signal came in today, all right? A bit choppy in here, but good markdown phase here. Buy signal, really good buy signal right here, guys. So we'll take this in Bullmaster. A bit choppy in here, but this looks good here. Right here looks really good. Okay. And with the market strong like it is, breaking out. That should help. All right. ACDC. All right, another one here. ADTN. Buy signal came in today. ADTN. All right, nice markdown phase here. Buy signal right here. Blue arrow broke resistance coming out of that accumulation phase. Buy signal right here. All right. So ADTN. We'll go through this quick. We'll notice that if you guys look over here, you'll notice that the stocks are moving higher. Okay, moving higher. All right, we'll add this one. All right, ASAI, and that's in Bullmaster. You can always get call options on these. Just be careful. We're in this one. All right, CALX, right? We don't have to, we can just look at it, guys. We can just see here, that's not a bad trade, all right? All right, nice markdown phase. Buyers came in, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All right, this one took a loss here. Here we are again, so not a bad setup here. All right, CALX, CALX, and Bullmaster. Let's keep going. Most of these we're already in, right? We have a lot of stocks picks in Bullmaster already. So most of these we're already in. So we just need new buy signals for the day. Very choppy. We could trade this, but it's got a high, look at this, in the middle of the chart, guys. So high resistance there. F, what's that? Ford. All right. Yeah, I don't believe we're in Ford. So not a bad trade going here. Nice markdown phase. We've got resistance right here. Right? Resistance is right here. These lines right here is resistance. And buy signal is right here at $14. Okay. And it's breaking resistance right now. Okay. So F for Ford in Bullmaster. These are just a symbol to us. Okay. We don't care about the company or the fundamentals. All right, this one looks good. The buy signal came in a few days ago. All right, but it showed up now. FSLY. All right, good resistance here. Buy signal is right here at 1790. All right, FSLY, and that's in Bullmaster. Okay. All right, let's keep going. We're halfway there. GH, I believe we're in GH. Yes, we are. GM, General Motors. Let's see here. Are we in GM? All right. We're not in GM. So look at that. Very similar to Ford, guys. So GM, we're going to add GM. All right. Nice markdown phase. All right. Nice markdown phase. A bit of consolidation, confusion here, but buy signal is here. All right. So a bit early. All right. But if we can break through, it's at 37. If we can break through 41, we could see a move higher. All right. So this is GM here. And then this is Ford. Very similar, guys. Look at this. This is Ford here, F for Ford. And then GM is right here. So Ford, GM. Very similar. Okay. All right. So we'll add GM. That's GameStop. Let's see here. Very choppy in here, right? You don't have any smooth price action. Very choppy. We do have a buy signal, but very choppy there. All right. Are we in Intel? INTC. No, we're not. All right. So similar, very similar, guys, price action, okay, with Ford and GM. Nice markdown phase, same type of accumulation. All right. We have resistance right here at about 31. It's breaking resistance at 33. Good one here. All right. So INTC. Some of these big names are moving. These big names are moving. All right. You'll notice that when the market starts to move, you'll notice. We'll add this one also. Let's make sure we're not in it. KMT. We're in it. KMT. We're in it already. Light. We're in light, I believe. Yes. LNC. Let's see here. We're in LNC. All right. MC. We're in MC. Remember, we've been adding, guys. Every day we add to this. So we're in most of these. MCB. We're in MCB. All right. Very choppy, guys. Very choppy here. Good buy signal, but very choppy. Mitch, we're in Mitch. All right. Okay. Nice markdown phase. Right. It's a high. With the deal with this one here. So NETI, it's got pretty good resistance right here, and it's breaking resistance. Okay, so forget about this right here. This is choppy, but it's got a buy signal right here. All right, sellers are sitting here. They're definitely sitting here, but with the markets right being healthy, right, we could see a nice pop here. All right, and that's pretty good resistance. So we could see buyers really come in here at 10, perhaps $11. All right, and really take it higher. So we'll add this one, NETI. All right, like I said, this isn't great down in this area here, but we've gotten past that. We've gotten past all of this, and all right, so we've got we might have a clear area ahead. Okay. All right. All right. Not a great risk reward. Fell from 20 to about 10. All right. But still not a bad trade for some calls. You guys can get some calls on that. Okay. Netflix. Are we Netflix? That's moved already. Yes, we're in Netflix. So we bought in at, this was good for calls. All right. Did anyone get into Netflix? Let me know. Buy signal was at 351. It's at 435. So good trade there going, and looks really good to move higher too. All right. If they're not clean charts, guys, just be careful. All right. PU plug. I think we got into plug yesterday, last night. PLUG. Yeah, we got in. Yes, there was the buy signal at about 988. It's at 1090. It looks like it gapped up today. All right. Decent trade going. Still good to get in. All right. Qualcomm. I think we got in Qualcomm. Yes, we're in Qualcomm. RCL. That's what Royal Caribbean. RCL. I know it's gone already. Just want to make sure. Did we get in? No, I think we missed this one. Yeah, we missed this one. Roku, win Roku. Right. Almost done. Just a few more. SLG, win SLG. Now we talked about getting these trades that are in the reaccumulation phase. Okay. All right. So here is another one. TER. Let's make sure we're not in it. Oh, we're in it already. Okay. So we must have gotten yesterday. After a while, these all look the same. We're in these. You win you. Yep. We're in this one. URI, we're in this one. Notice most of these are moving. That's gone. All right. ZI, we're in ZI. Okay, that's it, guys. All right. So find your spot, find your positions. You can trade all of these, so find the best ones. Okay. If you've got the systems, right? Stock boss or bullmaster, follow your sell signals, your buy signals, right? Your candles, red candles, green candles. All right. If you're trading these without your system, be careful. Okay. make sure you put a stop loss below a support area. Okay. So just be careful if you're not trading these with a system. Just be careful. Okay. Um, and the news for the day was the Dow. Remember, we got a buy signal on the Dow today, guys. Okay. So this is a big deal. So we have buy signal on the Dow, buy signal on the S&P, right? Trending nicely in the markup phase. Buy signal on the NASDAQ, buy signal on the Russell. VIX is down below 20 at 14. So all that's good news. And we have all of these sectors here that are up. We only have a few sectors now that are down. All right. But these will change, right? Eventually, we'll see if the markets hold, right? We should see all the sectors are moving higher. Okay. So really find we know you can't trade everything. So find your spots. Okay. Find your spots. Forex is moving, equities are moving, right? Our index futures are moving. So here is the US 30, right? Here is the NAS. Here's the NAS 100. Look at that. All right, big trade here, and then the S&P here also. So lots of, as traders, we this is when these are the times we hope that we have to trade. Okay, so take advantage of these. Watch what you trade. Watch your capital. Okay, what's your money management rules. Okay, if you guys have any questions on money management, your particular trade symbols, okay, just let me know. All right, you guys, I'm always available. So let me know if you want me to take a look. If you're in a position and you're not sure about it, just let me know. All right, send me a text or call me. All right, I'm here. All right, guys, take care. Have a good evening. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.